So Many Rainy Days, take two. First one was kind of whatever. I think you'll enjoy. I think you'll enjoy this too. So many rainy days, there is so many things to say when I come along. This is my own song, and I hit a bong, it is hard to jump when I'm coming home, and I'm skipping class a lot. On the time that I sit on my ass, don't need your negativity. Rich sports slide to society. Never know that I'd ever be close to every man and I'd be the one day I was singing a song, listen to radio tune of Neil Young. I come up with this lyrical flow, and the spirits just go. I just hear it, I show you all. Oh, well, look at my rhyme. I've been looking at melodies all the time, like the I'm coping up. I got some so I can't be smoking up. Oh, hoping to so many rainy days. There is so many things to say when I come along. I listen my own song, and I hit a bong, it is hard to draw when I'm coming home, and I'm skipping class a lot, multitasking and sit on my ass, and I don't need your negativity. This was like a celebrity. Never know that I'd ever be close to every damn thing that's the master of my style. Ever since I was illa, listen to Steve Miller. I'll smoke that token, I ain't no joker, so just listen to my song. Come a long way since I hit a bong, and my bomb beans laying up on mainstream. I don't know what you say, but you know you can't faze me. I may be a little crazy, but this weed gets me nice and hazy when there's so many rainy days.